So when UK Healthcare planned to open a mass vaccination site, leaders wanted a place that can hold a lot of people indoors and it's got enough parking. Well, they settled on somewhere many of you may have likely been before, but for a much different reason. Rose McBride's in Lexington with more on how the home of the Kentucky Wildcat football team, Kroger Field, turned into the state's newest vaccination site.
Well, players won't be running through a pregame tunnel today at Kroger Field. Teachers, healthcare workers, and first responders will be coming through this tunnel on the way to get their COVID-19 vaccine. Sarah Lynn Kingsolver is no stranger to Kroger Field.
My husband and I are season ticket holders, so we spend lots of days in the fall here.
She was able to go to 2 games this year, even though the stadium was at limited capacity.
So it's a little bit different, but it was still totally worth it to have the experience.
Tuesday was the first time many UK fans were back in the stadium after a long time away.
For us to be back in Kroger Field, it's exciting because it's a different capacity.
The stadium's club lounge, which is normally a place to relax before a big game, has turned into a vaccine distribution site. Beer taps are empty, but hand sanitizer bottles are full. Instead of scanning tickets, workers will confirm your appointment. The site took about a week to plan and 3 days to set up. There are 30 stations where first responders, educators, and healthcare workers can come to get their shot.
Our goal is to be just around 2,000 a day. It may be a little under, maybe a little over. It depends on the amount of appointments and doses that we have available for that day.
Like Jefferson County, Fayette County schools have not been in person since March. A big focus of this Kroger Field clinic is vaccinating K-12 teachers.
We really want to get these kids back in school.
Kingsolver is a special education teacher in Fayette County. She misses her students and is ready to get back into the classroom. In fact, perhaps just as ready as she is on game day.
The excitement's the same, though. I'm probably just as excited to get my vaccine today as I am for a UK win.
Right now, this site is just for people in Phase 1A or 1B in Fayette County and a few surrounding counties. But once the state opens up more phases, the school is hoping that this is a spot where people in the university community can also come get their shot. For WHAS 11 News, I'm Rose McBride.